Blessings, everyone. Welcome to Mr. and Mrs. Gold's YouTube channel. So Vybz Kartel has a message for everyone. It looks like tickets are not selling that well for his Freedom Street concert. Anyhow, let's listen.
So Black Friday, remember this, Vybz Kartel, the Gaza fans there, I represent the poor people as well. You understand? Exactly. We are across all demographic, but we have to represent the poor people. So 50% off on Black Friday for bleachers. Get it? No. Bleachers. The teachers. Yeah. A party together. So it's an experience. This New Year's Eve will be magical. So the gates open at 4 p.m. All the bars, the food vendors will be ready for you. The DJs will be juggling and holding a vibe with you from start to finish. You know I'm gonna like this. But what I'm gonna say is that it's gonna be amazing. The king of dancehall, Spice will be there as a queen, Skilling as the prince, my two sons, Little Vybz, Little Addy. Plus we have a lot of cameo appearances. Amelie, Shiva, Popcorn, you name it. They'll all be there. So I want everybody to come out from